Hello traders, welcome to today's video on the XTC Trend Indicator for MT4. This histogram based to plot red and blue bars in a separate window so you can visually confirm bullish and bearish trends and filter out low quality setups. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. The XTC Trend Indicator appears in a sub-window as a color-coded histogram with blue for positive histogram bars indicating bullish conditions, while red or negative histogram bars indicating bearish conditions, according to the indicator's internal trend logic. Sustained sequence of blue bars highlight an uptrend, meanwhile sustained sequences of red bars highlight a downtrend. And frequent alternation between colors visually points to more choppy or less reliable conditions. If we check or move over to its settings, we have the colors, which are the green for neutral, blue for uptrend, and red for downtrend. Now let's move over to who is for and its limitations. The XTC trend indicator is designed for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders who want a simple color-coded confirmation of trend direction. It is better as a confirmation tool than a standalone signal generator. It can produce false or late signals on lower and higher time frames and should always be used with price action context and robust risk management rules. The download link can be found in the description below. You can also read the full XTC Trend Indicator article, including strategy guidelines, pros, cons, and setup examples at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.